Tracy. We are Guan-Plastic Machinery Corporation Limited. Very nice to see you again. Today, I'd like to introduce our product for PVC foam board production line. What is PVC foam board? I show you sample. Okay. This one, you see, this is PVC foam board. We can use for this kind of product? Okay, means where is your market? We are machine maker. We make this kind of machine. Our machine produce this kind of product, and if you want to do this business, where you can find your clients, your customer, this is the point. That means you need to know where this kind of PVC foam will be used. Generally, it has few main applications. For example, it can use for furniture board. For example, kitchen cabinet board, because it's waterproof and the design is beautiful. Also wood design. Okay, and you can use for advertisement board. Many places you can use this kind of PVC foam board. We make this kind of machine over 16 years. We have very good experience. If you are interested with any kind, not only this kind of machine, you can contact me. Okay? We will give you the best service. Any know-how and information if you need, we will supply free, and we can exchange ideas. You can contact us at any time, okay? Hello. Now, some new friends doesn't know who we are. Our company established in 2011. Actually, before that, we use another name. Totally, we have experience over 16 years. We have many years manufacturer experience, and our main product have three categories. The first one is plastic pipe extruder machine. Plastic pipe including PVC, PE, PPR, many kinds of raw material make plastic pipe. All this called plastic. We make pipe machine, and the diameter from small, very small to big diameter. To be exact, it is 16 up to 2000 millimeter. This one of our product, plastic pipe extruder machine. Okay, the second one is plastic sheet and board extruder machine. Sheet board, what's the difference between sheet and board? Sheet machine means the thickness is small, but board, the thickness is a little bit higher, little bit more. This is the difference between sheet and board. We make both sheet and boards extruder machine. About raw material, again, many kinds of raw material chemicals can make different sheets. For example, PVC sheet or board, and HDPE sheet, board, ABS, PS, PET. Plastic sheet and board use many areas too. If you want to do this business, we can talk. Just let me know your demand. We will give you all information you need. This is another chemical. This is another chemical TPE. Okay, it's one kind of raw material. This is plastic sheet and board extruder machine. Another type, the third type, plastic profile. Profile means different shape. Except pipe and sheet, there are many shapes. Many shapes, we call it profile. For example, this one, for decking, cladding, outdoor. Okay, this is profile. This decking floor is beautiful. Look like real wood, but it's made by plastic. We make plastic extruder machine. This is what we do. Okay, this is plastic profile extruder machine. There are so many types of profiles, different chemicals and different shapes. Even there never exist with plastic that we can design for you if you want. You know, nowadays more and more things are instead of replaced by plastic. So plastic is widely used in many areas. And today I'm only focused on one product, door, plastic doors. This kind of door, okay? We focus on plastic doors today. This is one kind of our product. It's kind of profile. Just change different molds. We can get different shapes. This we call profile. Okay, PVC doors and window is one kind of plastic profile, and we can offer turnkey project for this door factory, for this kind of door and window factories. Okay, if you are interested with plastic doors and windows, you want to make this kind of plastic doors and windows, you can contact us. We will give you information from A to Z for establish a new factory. Okay. Welcome, Abdullah Hafiz. Okay, this is plastic door. What kind of raw material we use? There are two kinds. One is only use PVC and calcium carbonate with other additives. Another type is, we call it WPC door. WPC means wood plastic composite. We will put some wood powder for this raw material. Yes, we are factory. Thank you. Yes, we are factory. We put some wood powder in mix with other chemicals. We get this kind of WPC doors. This is what we do. There are many advantages for this kind of door. For example, it's waterproof and it has all nature's same like wood doors. Besides this, it is waterproof. It doesn't matter even with some wet area, with a lot of moisture area. That will be okay. Another one is it can stick with glue. And most important thing is environmental. No pollution for our environment. This is most important thing for this WPC doors. So it's more and more popular in many areas for this WPC door. And it's really good looking. The appearance is very good. This is advantages for this WPC door. What kind of raw material and the process to make it? There are many machines involved for this project. If you are interested, please contact us. I will explain details. Generally, there are few steps. Okay, for raw material, chemicals, PVC resin, you can buy from local chemical market. And if your country doesn't have this kind of chemical factory, you can import from other countries. It's easy to find for this resin PVC. Another one is calcium carbonate. I believe it's exists everywhere. Calcium carbonate is one kind of stone, just with very thin mesh. The mesh will reach 800 to 1000. This calcium carbonate. Another one is wood powder. We will add wood powder with plastic to get this kind of WPC door. This is most important thing. We put wood powder, mix them together. This is new technology. Plastic and wood powder, they will react and finally get door, like real wood door. If you just see this kind of door, it looks like real wood, but actually it's made by plastic. And this wood powder you can just use some waste material. No need cut trees. You just use waste material, sawdust. Okay, some plants fibers will be okay. If you want to make this kind of wood powder, you need a wood powder machine. And you can also buy directly if you don't want to make it. This is first step. Other chemicals like stearic acid and some lubricant like PE wax and a stabilizer. Many chemicals, they mix together in particular ratio. We call it formula. These chemicals mix together to make this kind of WPC door. This what raw material we will use. And after you prepare all these chemicals, the next step is our machines. Okay, first they need a mixer for all these chemicals. They need to mix together by high-speed mixer with temperature about 120 degrees. This is first step. All these chemicals mix together. And the second step, after these chemicals mixed, they will enter to extruder with temperature about 170 to 180 degrees. And inside the extruder, all chemicals will melt. Then through die head, the door panel will get out. With vacuum calibrator, the shape will get perfect. This is process, okay? All this process from extruder to the final basic WPC door panel. All this we call extrusion line. This is production line, not single machine. It's production line. From extruder to die head. Okay, that die head make different shape, different width, thickness. We control the shape from die head. Then calibrator to make the shape perfect. Then cooling down temperature, because when this WPC door panel come from extruder, the temperature is very high. As I told just now, the temperature can reach 170 to 180 degrees. So it needs to cool down by water. This is water cooling calibration table. After this, there is hung-off machine and cutter and final bracket. This is whole process for WPC door extrusion machine. After this, we get basic door panel. What is basic by door panel? I show you. Wait a minute, I'll come back. Hello, I come back. I didn't find the sample here in our showroom. Maybe my colleague took them in the factory workshop. Today, first part, I explain here what is WPC door and how can make it. Okay, we use extruder machine to make door panel, and our doors with two parts. One is door panel, another part is door frame. Door frame and door panel. Okay. Doors has two parts, door panel and door frames. Both of them made by our extruder machine. This is one sample. This is only PVC. This panel this panel doesn't have wood powder in it. I just show you this kind of door panel made by our machine. This is door panel and door frames. Door frame sample. This one part of door frame. There are few profiles involved for one side of door frame. This is only one part of it. This WPC door frame, this one. The first part, I'm here only explain what is WPC door and frame. Later, I will go to our workshop to show you how to make them. Okay, show all equipments from the first step to the end. We have whole process for this project. Welcome. Okay, and after we get this basic door panel, the next we need to do the surface treatment, because our normal days what we use for these doors, we need decoration, right? We need decoration. So after we get basic door panel, we can paint on it. Just like same like wood doors, we can paint on it, and we can engrave by CNC machine. We make different designs, and we can we can laminating on it with different designs, wood color and other colors, any type of design popular in your market. This is how we get final products. For the WPC door panel, there are two types. One is hollow type, just I show you. This is hollow type. Hollow inside, okay? This is hollow type. Another type, solid type. We can use PVC WPC door solid type. Solid means no hollow inside. In the middle. This one is solid. There are two types of WPC door panel. We have both machines in factory now, and they are running. We test the machine before delivery. We test generally 3 to 5 times until everything is okay. All machines work smooth. We deliver to our clients. And later I will show you how this machine work from the very beginning to the end. Okay? And if you are interested with this business, you can contact us to get free samples. And you can get us to get know-hows. Most welcome. Okay. This is first part. I explained today's topic for WPC door and frame extruder machine. And now we are going to workshop. We are in our factory in northeast of China. My city temperature is low. It's winter. Now it's cold. Outside is very cold. Our workers really hard. Okay, now I put on my coat. We'll go to workshop to show you extruder machine. we go to workshop. The camera will not stable. Wait a minute. Let's go. Wait. The time